Yeah. That's just tall as hell. It's like 25 feet. What's good, guys? Back with Rich Stepdad. My bad, I'm tired from this. It's heavy as shit, by the way. Rich Stepdad, and we fixing the benzo. We fixing a benzo out here, as you can see. I just got sick and tired of having all these oil stains on my driveway. So, we're gonna replace the timing cover. We're going to clean up this whole thing. I'm probably gonna paint the engine bay, but I want this car to be the best it's ever been because it's mine now, and I'm Rich Stepdad, and this thing gotta represent. So, I just found out I had crack headers and a crack muffler. Boom. And wait, hang on, where you go? Boom. So because of those two things, I guess I need long tube headers now. I can't complain. It's crazy how like I went in here to fix an oil leak, bro. I started with this right here, the oil reservoir thing, and obviously it wasn't that. So then like next step is the timing cover. By the way, hang on, let me get up in there because this is a good time for you to see. I don't know if you see that. See all that black stuff in that housing? And this one is what, especially this one, that's missing chunks. So these two O-rings are about to give, and if they do, this motor might go bye-bye. Because you know what happens if you have coolant in your oil and oil in your coolant? Well, water doesn't compress like oil, and you go bending rods, and bye-bye motor. I don't want that to happen. This is a fun car. So, we're not gonna let that happen. And we have this car in a million pieces, making sure that doesn't happen. Yeah, I just want to make sure I record for my YouTube video because I do have a YouTube, right? Let's start making videos. Let's get busy, okay? My bad. I'm tired as shit. I gotta get inside. But yeah, thanks for checking in. Maybe I'm gonna shoot more of this, but just a quick update because like I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just taking shit off. I didn't even get to the repair yet, so timing cover and oil pan. I'll let you know how it goes. And I'm getting bit up by mosquitoes as we speak, so let me go get inside.